Hey there, it's me again, Marcus from horntools. Today I'm going to explain our different recovery kits to you. I'll introduce each one, briefly explain what it's intended for, and show you what you get when you buy it. The Recovery Kit Basic, the kit for the smaller situations where you get stuck, so to speak. Like all our recovery kits, the Recovery Kit Basic comes in a waterproof bag. Inside, you'll find a snatch block, a pair of gloves for safe handling, 2 steel shackles, and a 3-meter tree strap so you can attach your winch to a tree. With the Recovery Kit Basic, you're well equipped if you're not a hardcore off-roader but sometimes travel on unpaved roads and are worried you might get stuck. The Recovery Kit Kinetic is for anyone who doesn't have a winch installed on their vehicle but still wants to have something with them in case they need to recover themselves. This kit also comes in a waterproof bag. Let me show you what's included. It contains 2 soft shackles, another pair of gloves, and the kinetic recovery rope. This rope is simply stretched between your vehicle and another vehicle using the soft shackles, and then the other vehicle can pull you out. The advantage of the kinetic recovery rope is that it doesn't pull abruptly, but instead stretches a bit, builds up pressure, and then gently pulls you out of trouble. Our Recovery Kit Plus Synthetic. Suitable for anyone with a winch with a synthetic rope who wants to have a bit more equipment with them. Basically, the pros among us off-roaders. Here too, we start again with the waterproof bag. Then, you also get 2 incredibly soft shackles, a very useful 5-meter rope extension, and our truly top-quality, robust snatch block. For safety at work, of course, a pair of gloves again, and a 3-meter tree strap. Our Recovery Kit Plus Steel for users who still have a steel cable on their winch. I'll quickly show you what's included here. Of course, this recovery kit also comes in a waterproof bag. Inside, you'll find 2 different tree straps, one 3 meters long and one 6 meters long. Then, for our equipment, we have 3 robust steel shackles and 2 heavy-duty snatch blocks, essential for various rigging operations. For safety while working, of course, another pair of gloves. And also our rope protector. You can simply weigh it down with sand and lay it over the rope, so that if the rope snaps, it won't whip around but will fall to the ground.